You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There are two different pronunciations in English that are correct, by the way. If you want to learn more medical terms and confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The British English pronunciation is more usually as varices. Varices, a stress on the first syllable, the va syllable, varices. Now in the US it's more often pronounced as varices, alright? Varices or varices, also varices. So varices or varices. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.